Billions of dollars vanishing into digital wallets, hidden behind algorithms and washed clean by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the new era of crime, where scammers no longer need guns, masks, or getaway cars. Just code, crypto, and clever AI. From deepfake CEOs to blockchain mixers, from NFT heists to AI-powered laundering rings, this is how the next generation of criminals is rewriting the rules of money. This is the dark side of Web3. To understand how these scams work, we need to go back to the beginning. The term Web3 sounds futuristic, and it is. It's the idea of a new decentralized internet where users, not companies, control their own data, assets, and digital identities. No banks, no middlemen, no gatekeepers, just you, your crypto wallets, and the blockchain. It started as a dream, a movement powered by hope for digital freedom. But like every revolution, the dark side wasn't far behind. Because where there is no middleman, there's also no one to protect you. No reforms, no regulators, no undo button. Soon, the crypto space became a playground for scams, rug pulls, and fake tokens. And when AI entered the picture, things got lots more dangerous. Today, more than $24 billion worth of illicit funds have flowed through crypto transactions since 2017, according to blockchain analysts, and that number keeps rising, not because people are stealing more, but because they are getting smarter. Before we talk about AI, let's talk about the old tricks and how they evolved. In the early days of crypto, scams were simple: fake investment websites, pump and dump coins, Ponzi schemes, and phishing links. Someone would promise 10x your Bitcoin. Overnight, you would send your crypto, and it's gone forever. But Web3 took these scams to another level. Now, scammers hide behind smart contracts, self-executing programs that look legitimate but are written to drain your wallet. These are fake NFT marketplaces that mimic real ones like OpenSea, tricking users into connecting their wallet. Once connected, everything inside is stolen. Then came DeFi scams, decentralized financial protocols that attract millions in investor deposits, promising high returns. The founders vanish overnight. The site goes dark. The money disappears into mixers. And the scary part, it's almost impossible to trace or recover. But even these scams started to look old-fashioned, because the newest wave is powered by something far smarter than humans: artificial intelligence. Imagine getting a video call from your company's CEO. Their face looks real. Their voice sounds perfect. They are telling you to transfer $500,000 immediately to a new partner wallet. You wouldn't think twice, except that CEO doesn't exist. It's an AI-generated deepfake. This actually happened multiple times across Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Deepfake scams have stolen millions, with criminals using generative AI to mimic executives and trick employees into sending crypto transfers. And it's not just deepfakes. AI is now used to write smarter phishing messages, generate realistic fake documents, and even predict blockchain behavior. Scammers are training models to find the most profitable times to move stolen crypto without triggering alerts. They use AI mixing bots that can break down large transactions into thousands of tiny transfers, bouncing them across dozens of wallets in seconds. Then the money flows into privacy coins like Monero or Zcash and vanish. Law enforcement can't keep up, because they are fighting criminals who now use machine learning to hide. And it's not just individuals being scammed. It's entire systems being infiltrated. AI isn't just helping people commit fraud, it's helping them launder it. Money laundering used to be slow. You would move cash through shell companies, casinos, or offshore accounts. Now, you can wash millions in crypto without ever meeting a human being. Here's how it works. Step 1. The stolen funds are converted into cryptocurrency, usually Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stable coins. Step 2. The scammers use mixers or tumblers, services that blend multiple users' coins together and return them in random portions. The idea is simple. Once mixed, it's almost impossible to trace the origin of any specific coin. Step 3. The crypto is sent across multiple blockchains, what is known as chain hopping. An AI script automates this process, sending funds through decentralized exchanges, smart contracts, and privacy networks. Within minutes, the digital fingerprints are gone. Finally, the cleaned crypto is cashed out through fake identities, digital gift cards, or NFTs that are sold back for legitimate money. And yes, even NFTs are part of this new laundering system. Fake NFTs can be sold between wallets controlled by the same person, artificially inflating their value. When the NFT is finally sold for real money, it looks like a legitimate profit. That is not innovation, that is modern crime in digital disguise. Artificial intelligence doesn't just help launderers, it transforms them. AI tools can now write codes for fake smart contracts, generate deepfake IDs for KYC verification, create convincing social media histories for shell companies, and even auto-manage entire laundering operations with almost no human involvement. There are Telegram bots that can instantly create thousands of new wallet addresses. AI-powered cleaners monitor blockchain activity to identify which wallets are being watched and reroute phones before law enforcement can catch them. Some laundering networks are even training their own AI models using stolen blockchain data to predict detection risks. It's cybercrime reimagined. And while most people think AI is only about creating art or chatbots, it's also quietly running the biggest underground financial networks in history. But not everyone is losing the fight. Around the world, new task forces are emerging, combining AI, blockchain analytics, and global cooperation to track these digital criminals. Interpol, Europol, and the FBI now use advanced AI tools to follow money trails across blockchains. These systems can identify patterns invisible to humans, spotting suspicious wallet movements, timing patterns, and address clusters that suggest laundering. In 2024, a joint operation between international agencies seized over $430 million in crypto linked to fraud and laundering networks. That is just one operation, and it's only the beginning. Blockchain forensics firms like Chainalysis and Elliptic are now developing AI engines that can trace even the most complex laundering webs in real time. Still, the battle is uphill. Because for every tool law enforcement builds, criminals build one smarter. The future of finance and fraud will depend on who has the better algorithm. Web3 promised a new internet, free, open, and decentralized. But every revolution brings chaos before order. AI and crypto are not evil. They are tools. It's humans and their hunger for power and profit that twist them. We are entering a time where identity, money, and truth itself can be faked. And the question we must ask is not just how do we stop it, but how do we survive in a world where the line between real and fake is disappearing.